Alright class, today is a behavior integer day. I will explain them to you when you come up.
Oh my god, no way. I got 30.
Excellent job Flash player, you graduate forever. Go to the master's office.
Awesome. I got 29.
Amazing job Unarmored ZR380. You get 1 year off. Go to the master's office.
Amazing! I got 28.
Great job Hiotaka Hashi official. You get 10 months off. Go to the master's office.
Yay, I got 27.
Good job Sandwich. You get 6 months off. Go to the master's office.
Yay, I got 26.
Good job Century Zero. You get 3 months off. Go to the master's office. Good job. You get 1 month off. Go to the master's office.
Yay, I got 24.
Good job Sunny Kwok 9223. You get 7 days off. Go to the master's office.
Yay, I got 23.
Good job United France Moon. You get 1 day off. Go to the master's office. Alright non-exist tea and box. Nothing happens to you. You can go find an empty seat.
Oh no, me and Enderman got 21.
I'm sorry Creeper and Enderman. You only have a talk after school. Please go to the master's office.
At least that's better than detention for an hour.
No, I got 20.
That's right, Tiggle Man. You have detention for an hour. Go to the master's office right now.
I got 90.
That's right, Hawker 131. You have detention until school ends. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh, I got 80.
That's right, Mr. Boss FTW. You have detention forever. You may click with videos. Go to the master's office right now.
I got 70.
That's right, the amazing CJ. You're suspended for today. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, I got 16.
That's right, to the best. You're suspended for a day. Go to the master's office right now.
No, I got 15.
That's right, XLZZZX. You're suspended for 7 days. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, I got 14.
That's right, Angie Ramon TV. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go to the master's office right now. You're so close to the death zone.
We got 15. We are so dead.
That's right, you TTPNYFGA. You both are suspended for a month. You clicked on spamming annoying comments. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, we got 12.
That's right, YouTube sex bots. You are suspended for 3 months. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, I got 11.
That's right, Happy Mob. You are suspended for 6 months. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, I got 10.
That's right, Eagle from YFGA. You are suspended for 8 months. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, I got 9.
That's right, Toyota Supra. You are suspended for the rest of the year. You're overrated. Go to the master's office now.
Oh no, I got 8. Now I can't set truly powers mines.
That's right, Street Master 234. You're suspended for 11 months. Go to the master's office right now. That's right, Skippy V Toilet and Benji X Scarlet. You are suspended for 9 trillion billion days. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, I got 6.
That's right, Alderwool. You are suspended for 10 trillion billion days. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, we got 5.
That's right, Swifties. You are suspended for 11 quadrillion billion days. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, we got 4.
That's right, the popular girls. You're suspended for 12 quintillion trillion days. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no, I got 3. Now I can't sexually harass minors like Stream Master 234.
That's right, that man runs nothing. You are suspended for 13 quadrillion billion days. Go to the master's office now. You are in big trouble because the sun.
Oh no, we can't spread our cream MS anymore. We got to.
That's right, LGBTQ. You guys are suspended for 14 zillion days. Go to the master's office now. You guys are in big trouble because the solar system.
Oh no, we are so dead. We got one.
That's right, the fairy community. You are all suspended for the rest of your lives. Go to the master's office right now. You all are in huge, giant, massive extreme trouble.
We don't have a number.
Yes you do, pull it out now.
I guess we got 0.
Yeah, so what?
Can we have just one last chance? Please, at least one more. We're begging you. What's going on here?
My dog died. My cat died. My rat died.
How did your rat die?
I got eaten by a cat.
How did your cat? How did your cat? How did your cat die?
It got eaten by a dog. How did your dog die? I ate it.
Absolutely not. Emoji cats, you have been the worst students ever. You guys are very cringe, and you think you are scary. You guys are in big trouble because the galaxy. Now, come with me, right freaking.
Any last words?
We wish we would be good.
Time's up.
Yeah.
Good riddance.